Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The outer dia is 60 and 42, the pitch is 105 mm, inner diameters is 30 and 20 mm, thickness is 20 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extrude here. Select the front plane, select circle, create 4 circles, give the dimensions, diameter 42 and inner dia is 20, this is 60 mm and inner dia is 30 mm. Give the horizontal constraint, the pitch is 105 mm. So this dimension we can give 105 by 2. Select here 3-point arc. Give the tangent constraint first. Create arc again. Give the dimension. The arc dimension is 115. Give the tangent constraint here also. Same dimension. Give the 100 mm. Offset this 2 lines. Reverse the offset. The dimension is 8 mm. Okay. Same this line also. Okay. Trim the lines here. So that's it, finish sketch. Select these 2 circles. Select the mid plane here. Dimension is 20 mm. Here select sketch again. Extrude. Select this and this. The dimension is 10 mm. And here select the mid plane. Select the fillet here. The fillet dimension is 8 mm. Select these 4 edges. Control 7 for ISO view. So assign the material here. Steel, polished steel. edit appearances, so we can highlight the machining colors. There is a keyway, friends. The keyway dimension is 8 mm and 33. So here to here 18 mm. So I think we need to give top. This is 8 mm. Give 4 mm. So that's it. This distance we don't want. Finish. Extruded cut. Here you can give through hole. Okay. So select edit appearances again. Here change the faces. This part we can delete it. Select the faces. Select here yellow color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me.